Good morning students, welcome to today's online class. In last session already I discussed about concept of differentiation and problems of differentiation. In this session we will continue problems of differentiation. Differentiate sine of log of x square with respect to x. Differentiate sine of log x square with respect to x. The given function we can take as y. Y is equal to sine of log of x square. Okay, dear children, we can differentiate first sine and can differentiate log and can differentiate x square. Now that is log x differentiation is 1 by x. Okay, log x differentiation is 1 by x. That is e power of x differentiation is e power of x. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. 1 by x square differentiation is minus 2 divided by x cube. X to the power of n differentiation is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, this function we can take y. Y is equal to sine of log of x square. Differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx. Okay, so ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫುಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವೈಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ cos of log of x square into d by dx of this function log of x square, and again cos of log of x square into d by dx of log x square. Okay, d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. d by dx of e power of x is what? E power of x. d by dx of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. d by dx of 1 by x square is what? Minus 2 divided by x cube. So now instead of x, x square is there. d by dx of log x square is what? 1 by x square into now d by dx of x square. Okay, that is cos of log x square into 1 by x square. d by dx of x square is what? 2x. x to x cancel, that is 2 by x into cos of log x square. So this is a solution for this problem. Next, differentiate cos square of e power of x with respect to x. Okay, first you have to learn how we can differentiate the general terms. Okay, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, and differentiation of Rolle's and mean value theorem. Okay, so before going to those methods, first we learn, okay, how we can differentiate the terms. Okay, differentiate cos square of e power of x with respect to x. This term can taken as what? Y. Y is equal to cos square of e power of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx. Now While differentiation of cos square, first I can differentiate for square, that is 2 cos e power of x into d by dx of cos e power of x. First I can differentiate square, and again I can differentiate cos, and again I can differentiate e power of x. Okay, here now differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Differentiation of cos square x is what? First I can differentiate 2, and then I can differentiate cos. Cos square x differentiation is 2 cos x, and again cos differentiation is what? Minus sin x, like that. Okay, here cos square differentiation is 2 cos e power of x into d by dx of cos e power of x, that is 2 cos e power of x into d by dx of cos is minus sin e power of x into d by dx of e power of x. So that is 2 cos e power of x into minus sin e power of x, d by dx of e power of x is e power of x. Okay, so I'll repeat once again, observe carefully. Okay, ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕನಸುಗಳು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೇ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದೆಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬರಲಿ, ಅದು ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ಸೊ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we have to practice well, and you have to send the papers through WhatsApp. So now come to our problem. Differentiate cos square e power of x with respect to x. Y is equal to cos square e power of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx. So now I can differentiate 2, and again afterwards I can differentiate cos. 2 cos e power of x into d by dx of cos e power of x. This one as it is you have to write cos e power of x differentiation is minus sin e power of x, and d by dx of e power of x is e power of x. Okay, d by dx of log x is 1 by x, d by dx of e power of x is e power of x, d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, d by dx of 1 by x square is minus 2 divided by x cube, d by dx of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Next function, differentiate sin of x plus a, d by dx of differentiate of ax plus b whole to the power of n with respect to x. That is, already I told the function can denoted as y. Y is equal to ax plus b whole to the power of n. Now differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx is equal to, now this one I can take what? X to the power of n differentiation is what? N into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of ax plus b. First I can differentiate n, I mean I can differentiate this term and I can differentiate ax plus b. That is n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1. D by dx of ax is what? A. D by dx of b is what? 0. A plus 0. That is n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into a. Now we will take next problem. Differentiate log of tan 5x. Differentiate log of tan 5x. This log of tan 5x I can take as y. Y is equal to log of tan 5x. Okay. That is differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx. First I can differentiate log and afterwards I can differentiate tan and again I can differentiate 5x. First log differentiation is, that is log x differentiation is 1 by x. Log of this function, okay, log of tan 5x differentiation is 1 divided by tan 5x into d by dx of tan 5x. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by tan 5x. D by dx of tan is secant square 5x into d by dx of 5x. So that is 1 divided by tan 5x into secant square 5x. D by dx of 5x is 5. This is your answer. Next, differentiate log of sine of log x. Differentiate log of sine of log x with respect to x. Okay. So they will mention differentiate the function with respect to x. Now we have to differentiate with respect to y, with respect to x. Suppose, sir, what will happen with respect to y means? Okay, so with respect to y, with respect to z, with respect to anything function, that concept it will come under engineering and degree. Okay, just here we have to differentiate with respect to x. So now here suppose for this function we can differentiate with respect to y means, that is this function becomes 0. Okay, so because here y is there means we can differentiate with respect to y, but here x is there, that's why we can differentiate with respect to x. Okay, the given function can be taken as y. Y is equal to log of sine of log x. Okay, now I can differentiate log and afterwards I can differentiate sine and I can differentiate log x. When you differentiate log, so this one I can take what? I can consider as in our mind x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx. Log differentiation is 1 divided by sine of log x into d by dx of sine of log x. That is 1 divided by sine of log x into d by dx of sine is cos of log x into d by dx of log x. that is equal to 1 divided by sine of log x into cos of log x. D by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Okay, that is cos of log x divided by sine of log x is nothing but cot of log x. Cot of log x into 1 by x. I think all of it cleared. Once again I'll repeat. Observe here. Log of sine of log x. This function I can take as what? Y. I mean I differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to log. When you will differentiate log, this one I can assume what? X. Now log differentiation is what? 1 by x. Okay, that is 1 divided in place of x sine of log x. That is 1 divided by sine of log x into d by dx of sine of log x. So that is 1 divided by sine of log x, d by dx of sine of log x. Differentiation is cos of log x into d by dx of log x. I mean this one as it is, this one as it is. D by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Okay, cos of log x divided by sine of log x is cot of log x into 1 by x. Next problem. Differentiate cos of log x plus e power of x with respect to x. That is, the function can be taken as what? Y. Y is equal to cos of log x plus e power of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx. Cos differentiation is minus sine log x plus e power of x into d by dx of log x plus e power of x. That is minus sine of log x plus e power of x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus d by dx of e power of x is e power of x. So this is your answer. Okay. Next problem. So next problem is differentiate 1 minus sine 2x divided by 1 plus sine 2x with respect to x. The function in the form of u by v. U by v whole dash equals to u dash v minus uv dash divided by v square. That is u dash. U dash means d by dx of u, that is d by dx of 1 minus sine 2x into v 1 plus sine 2x minus as it is u is 1 minus sine 2x, d by dx of v is d by dx of 1 plus sine 2x divided by v square. So that is one differentiation is 0 and again minus as it is, sine differentiation is cos 2x and again 2x differentiation is 2, this function as it is, minus 1 minus sine 2x as it is, d by dx of 1 is 0, sine differentiation is cos 2x and again 2x differentiation is 2 divided by 1 plus sine 2x whole square. That is minus 2 cos 2x into 1 plus minus 2 into cos 2x into 1 plus sin 2x minus 2 cos 2x into 1 minus sin 2x divided by 1 plus sin 2x whole square. Okay, so this is your answer. Next, differentiate e power of ax into sin of bx plus c with respect to x. The function can be taken as what? Y is equal to e power of ax into sin of bx plus c. Differentiate with respect to x. Now this function is the form of uv. We can apply the product rule. What is the product rule? So product rule is, that is uv whole dash is equal to uv dash plus u dash v, or uv whole dash is equal to u dash v plus uv dash, both are same. Okay, so this is called product rule. For this function we can apply the product rule. Okay, so children, listen here. A function in the form of uv is there, we can apply the product rule. Okay, when you will differentiate the function, we can apply the product rule. The function is the form of u by v is there, no, we can apply the quotient rule. Okay, so I mean all of it clear, I think. Excuse me. Y differentiation is dy by dx. U as it is, e power of ax as it is, into d by dx of sin of bx plus c, plus d by dx of u dash means d by dx of u e power of ax into v sin of bx plus c. That is e power of ax as it is, sin differentiation is cos of bx plus c into d by dx of bx is b, and again d by dx of c is 0 into b. D by dx of e power of ax differentiation is e power of ax. I mean differentiate of exponential function is exponential function only. E power of x differentiation is e power of x. E power of 2x differentiation is e power of 2x, and 2x differentiation is times 2 into 2. Okay, e power of 3x differentiation is e power of 3x, and again times 3. That is e power of x differentiation is e power of x. E power of 2x differentiation is e power of 2x, and 2x differentiation is times 2. So e power of 3x differentiation is e power of 3x only, and 3x differentiation is times 3. Suppose e power of 4x differentiation is e power of 4x, and 4x differentiation is times 4. Okay, suppose e power of minus x differentiation, e power of minus x differentiation is e power of minus x only, and minus x differentiation is times minus 1. That is into minus 1, that is minus e power of x. Okay, e power of ax differentiation is e power of ax, into ax differentiation is a. Okay, into sin of bx plus c. Now here e power of ax is common. e power of ax is common. So what is remaining? B cos of bx plus c plus a sin of bx plus c. This is your answer. Okay, I think all of you cleared. Next we'll move on. That is, differentiate sin of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d. The function, observe children here, the function is the form of what? U by v. Okay, the function is the form of what? U by v. We can apply the quotient rule to differentiate this function. This function can be taken as y. Y is equal to sin of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d. Now formula is what? U by v whole dash equals to u dash v minus uv dash divided by v square. That is, differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx. V as it is, cos of cx plus d as it is, into u dash means d by dx of sin ax plus b minus u as it is, sin of ax plus b as it is, into d by dx of v dash. V dash means d by dx of v. D by dx of cos cx plus d divided by v square. V square means cos of cx plus d whole square. Is it clear? Dy by dx equals to cos of cx plus d as it is. D by dx of sin differentiation is what? Cos of ax plus b into ax differentiation is what? A. B differentiation is 0. A plus 0 is A minus sin of ax plus b. D by dx of cos differentiation is what? Minus sin cx plus d into cx differentiation is what? C, and d differentiation is 0 divided by cos of cx plus d whole square, and this can be written as cos of cx plus d into cos of ax plus b into a, minus into minus plus c into sin of ax plus b into sin of cx plus d divided by cos of cx plus d whole square. Dear children, don't confuse here. Cos into cos square, I mean that is wrong. Here function is different. Here cos of cx plus d, here cos of ax plus b, here sin of ax plus b, here sin of cx plus d. Okay. This is your answer. Okay, already I discussed about problems of differentiation. In next session I'll discuss differentiability. Differentiation is different, differentiability is different. Differentiation means this process of finding the derivatives. This concept is differentiation. Differentiability means we can find the separately LHD and separately RHD. We have to verify LHD equals RHD. That is differentiability. In next class we will discuss differentiability. While watching the video, we have to write down the notes in one notebook. Okay, this is a compulsory for all. Thank you, one and all.